created according to an ancient Indian text. This is the flat Earth model. It's made up of 7 concentric oceans and land masses distributed on a flat plain. At the very center, you can see a beautiful island called Jambudweep, and you can see a golden mountain rising up like a cylinder resembling the axis pole. So the flat disk is made of land and water, and at the end of this disk, there are large mountains surrounding this flat Earth. This is a very interesting model to see this giant wall surrounding the edge of the flat Earth, because this is how the new flat Earth model looks. According to modern flat Earth supporters, the Earth looks like a flat disk and its edges are protected by a giant Arctic wall made of ice. There are photos of these ice walls on the internet. The resemblance between the new model and the ancient Indian model is uncanny, even though the ancient text, which talks about this, is at least 1,000 years old. There is another fascinating detail in this model. It shows the sun and moon moving around in the sky in chariots. This is also very interesting because this is the same detail in the modern flat Earth model as well. Of course, without the chariots and horses. According to modern flat Earth theory, the Earth is stationary and the sun and moon are moving around it. In ancient India, several texts and stories talk about the flat Earth model.
हमारे शास्त्रों के अंदर ये कहीं भी नहीं लिखा गया कि जो हमारी पृथ्वी है वो फुटबॉल वाली गोल है। कुल मिला के ये हमारे वैदिक सनातन धर्म को नासा और स्कूल कॉलेजों के अंदर जो पढ़ाया जाता है उसके हिसाब से फिट करने की कोशिश करती है।